In the last video, we have talked about the if-else. In this video, we'll talk about the else-if. Let's start. Before starting this video, I want to ask you something that can you write if condition without else? The thing is, you can write if condition without else. That is correct. But can you write else condition without if? That is not correct. So because you cannot write any else condition without if. If your else is there, there must be a if. You cannot write any else condition without your if condition. So now start with your else if. So what else if condition is? Suppose you have 10 within your A, you have 10 within your B. Now what will happen? Suppose if you execute this code, it will execute it perfectly. So you can see that Java hello, it's saying A is less than B, but ethically it's not correct, right? Technically it's correct, but ethically it's not correct because A is not less than B. So what we have to put? There is another option that is called else if. So we have to put a else if condition. Now what this else if is, suppose I am writing else if A equals to, suppose if A less than B, then it will print this, and if A less than B, it will print A less than B, otherwise it will print A equals to B. So why I am writing this? In a if else chain, you can write n numbers of else if condition. In a if else chain, suppose this is a if else chain, right? In a chain, you can write only one if and only one else, but n numbers of else if. You can write multiple else if. You can write multiple else if in a condition. Suppose you want to put 90 condition or 100 condition or n condition. So what you will put? You will put only one if, you will put only one else, and you will put n minus 2 else if condition. This is how the else if works. So let me compile this code. So what we have within our A, that is 10, what we have within our B, that is 10. So this portion won't be executed, this portion won't be executed, so this else will be executed. Suppose you can also modify this to this. If A equals to B, then you will write A equals to B, else A less than B. So all those things will be executed properly. Just write in the chat section that which portion will be executed, if, else if, or else. Let me compile this code. We'll get the same output. So we are getting A equals to B because this portion will be executed. In this video, we have talked about the else if. In the next video, we'll talk about the nested if else. Thank you.